Smart money, an elusive concept. Used by YouTubers, traders and other financial analysts on the internet, like if they know who the smart money is, what they do and what their secrets are. The original author has called this also the smart money strategy. Will it do what it promises? Watch this video until the end to find out. Hi there and welcome to another video where I will be testing someone else's trading strategy to find out how it performs on my specific setup. I try to analyze trading strategies' performances under more realistic market conditions and see how they perform, of course. This way I can find out if the strategy has the potential to be profitable in the future as well and will make our trading accounts grow. And as said, in this video I will test the smart money trading strategy I found on GitHub. The owner is Mike Digris, and there I found this code. So if you like his efforts, then please visit his GitHub page and give him some kudos for his work. Here I will test the strategy on what it's worth and find out some possible optimal settings if this is needed. And in contrary to the name, the code for the strategy is pretty simple to read and understand. It makes use of the Chaikin money flow index and the EM200. It was designed to be used on the 1 hour time frame and has the following buy and sell rules. We buy when the close price is below the EMA200 and when the MFI is below its default configured value of 35 and when the CMF is below its default configured value of minus 0.07. The sell rules for the strategy are first of all when stop loss or RI points get reached, or otherwise when the close price is above the EMA 200, MFI is above the value of 70 and the CMF is about 0.2. And that is pretty much it. Now we have to find out if the smart money strategy is so smart to make use of these so simple rules. So let me first do an initial backtest to see how this strategy performs. Here on the screen you can see the results of the initial backtest of this strategy. As you can see, the 30-minute time frame seems to have the highest scores over all the tested time frames. It has an initial win percentage of 79% of all trades and the drawdown is only 34%. Also, 52% of the tested 50 pairs respond well to this algorithm. But for those who follow my videos or read my blog posts for a while, they might already see a difference in this table. I have also added some new columns in this overview, namely the amount of trades made, the winning streak, where the number of the maximum win streaks is over here, and another one that shows the average winning streak. And of course also the same for losses, the maximum amount of losing trades after another, and the average of all those losing streaks. And with this additional information, also the big caveat of this strategy comes to light. Because it is a 30-minute strategy over multiple years, and depending of course when the crypto pairs fiercely became active on the trading exchange, only 42 trades are made here, which is way too low for this time frame. The 5-minute time frame even has less trades over this complete backtest period. And that is a big problem, because apparently the algorithm with its current buy and sell parameters do not generate enough signals to make this a viable trading strategy. The profits solely come from a few trades made, and these trades were sometimes closed after 1200 days later. Apparently the so-called smart money is a hodler here. And the profit chart shows this as well. A very peculiar chart, by the way. Just a staircase of pumps and flat lines without any movements in gains. Also here we can see that at almost the start of the testing period the algo buys some positions and never leaves them, actually doing nothing at all. And that is not the behavior we expect, of course. So let me try to this, which author has nicely coded into the strategy file, by the way, and give the machine learning algorithm a chance to optimize these settings to improve the performance. or make it at least a little bit more believable here. I'll only optimize the buy and sell parameters, by the way, because optimizing too much parameters at the same time has proven to produce even worse parameter settings. And after optimizing the buy and sell parameters, you can see that this strategy does not improve at all. Over the complete range of factors, you can see that the performance even gets worse. Also, the amount of trades does not improve as well. Still a one-time buy and sell after a long period of time. And the profit chart also does not seem to be optimized at all. This is very strange behavior, and I expected a lot more from a strategy that is named like this. But well, the author already admits in his code that it is not smart at all, and we can see that here too. So what happens to this strategy? I could dismiss it as being an algorithm that is faulty and not mention it again. However, technically the strategy performed in the backtest, albeit not as intended. And maybe the author had to call it the buy and hold method. So I will keep it in the league as a result, because at first sight we could not say if this would perform or not. But it does, however not in the way we expected. So let's keep it at this and put this information in the back of our minds for next time. We have to fail fast and often to find the ultimate trading strategy, and we will move forward so that we will be the smart money they will talk about in the end. Now, if you like this strategy and you want to use this on your own system, then please pay the original author's GitHub page a visit. And as always, the outputs of these tests and hyperops will be available as addendums on my Patreon page for my supporters. There I will leave a compressed file with a complete output of the tests you have seen in this YouTube video. With these files you can analyze my output or compare my results with tests on your own setup, and this way I will keep things real and verifiable. Also, if you want to support me, like buying me a cup of coffee or a sandwich once in a while, then please become my patron. So again, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!